Hi there! Do you remember what a quadrilateral is? That's a polygon, which means it's got straight sides, not wavy. And a polygon means it goes all the way connected. It doesn't have an open gap. But a quadrilateral, how many sides does a quadrilateral have? Do you remember? Well, let me think about my examples of a quadrilateral. I have a rhombus and a square, a parallelogram, and a rectangle. What do all those have in common? How many sides do they have? 4, that's right. 4 sides. So, your task today is to find out which one of these 7 shapes located in this triangle are quadrilaterals. Let's see. Which 2 shapes are quadrilaterals? Is it number 1? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. That's not a quadrilateral. Let's try 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, definitely not. Let's try 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 has 3 sides. Not a quadrilateral. How about 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not it either. Let's try 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, I found one. A quadrilateral. How about 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, another one. Let's just double check to make sure 7 isn't a secret quadrilateral too. 7 has 1, 2, 3 sides. Nope. So our 2 quadrilaterals that were hiding in our triangle are 5 and 6.